Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the Samsung Smart TV factory reset pin. Okay, when you go to the reset to factory default, you will need to input the pin that show on the TV. Okay, and you can see the default pin is the 000, and you can also check out on your Samsung website. This the default pin is 000. Okay, now let's try to test with that pin together. Now just press 000. Okay, and now just you need to confirm the reset to default factory. Just select to that button, and now we going to reset the TV. Okay, now the TV will restart automatically after reset is complete. Okay, now the TV is already reset to the factory default. All you need to do just doing setup by your own from the beginning. Okay, and now we select the language. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can reset your Samsung Smart TV to factory default with the pin. So the pin is built in the TV, and it shows the information on the Samsung web page. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will help you to solve your problem and reset your TV to factory default successfully. And now bye bye and have a nice day.